Well, hello there, handsome. What brings you to my neck of the woods? Hmm? You fell off your ship? What? Did you hear a siren or something? Oh, you did hear singing? How interesting. I wasn't aware of any siren nests around here. I'll have to try and clean those up, I suppose. It's not like I enjoy strange men washing up on my shore. Don't look so offended. I feel like that's a reasonable wish for any woman, no? Well, at least you're handsome. Easy on the eyes. I suppose you can stay for a bit. Come with me. I'll bring you to my castle. I've already prepared dinner, but I'm sure there's enough for you to have as well. Ah, the castle is a bit of a ways away. I apologize for not warning you. What was I doing at the beach if I had dinner prepared? Well, as you can tell, I'm the only one on this island. I often fish in the evening before it gets dark. Not that I caught anything tonight. Unless you count yourself, of course. You are a pretty big catch. Oh, I raise livestock as well, so not catching anything is fine for tonight. They roam freely around the island, so if you see a pig or two, that's why. You're free to pet them if you like, though don't come crying to me if they bite you. Ah, yes, I am the only one here. Occasionally others wash up on the shore, shipwrecks and such. Usually it's just corpses, though. You're the first alive one I've seen in a while. We're here, by the way. Isn't it lovely? I work hard to maintain it, though the vines are starting to creep up. Perhaps you can help me while you're here? Of course it would be after you recover. You can consider it repayment for the rescue and meal. Ah! My pet, how did he... It's fine. It's nothing. Don't worry about it, handsome. He was just a run-of-the-mill woodpecker. I could always find another. You didn't realize that species lived in this area? Well, this island is very isolated from society, so it wouldn't surprise me if those who track bird populations weren't aware of it. It's also possible that some fell off of a boat and started to breed. I'm not sure. Anyway, forget about that stupid bird. You're probably starving. The dining room is the second room to the left, and there's a basin to wash in down the hall to the right. Forgive me for being rude, but you, smell of the sea. Not the pleasant kind, but... well, you get the idea. By the time you're done, dinner will be on the table for you. Take your time. I have ways to keep the stew warm for you. You startled me. Did you truly wash? That was quite quick. It doesn't matter to me, of course, but I'd rather my guests not smell of salt water. Well, I suppose it's good enough. Come, sit down. I'll light the fire. What do you think, handsome? I'm quite the chef, don't you think? Ah, it's just a simple beef and vegetable stew, seasoned with a bit of salt and various herbs from around the island. I'm glad you're enjoying it. I rarely entertain guests, so I'm always afraid my tastes don't match the regular person. All that said, how are you feeling, handsome? Your eyes are struggling to stay open. I didn't mention, but the herbs can have a bit of a sedating effect on regular humans. I may have used too many, along with the herbs I fed the cow. Oh, my poor lover. But he was getting a bit long in the tooth. It's not like I remember his name anyway. He wasn't the best bedmate regardless. You, on the other hand, have potential. Handsome, muscular. Oh, you can still protest? Perhaps I didn't use enough. Well, that's fine as well. I like to have my lovers answer me of their own free will. Tell me, love, will you stay with me? Before you try to shake your head, do know that you don't want to get on my bad side. Not only did I use the herbs to sedate you, they also give me a very special power over your body. You remember that bird, don't you? He was once a king. Yes, a human one. I don't think you'd make a very lovely bird, though. Too much muscle, too tall. It takes a rather special man to be a pretty bird. The rest of his men I turned into pigs. I suppose you never did get to see them. Well, I say that, but if you agree to stay with me, you can remain as you are. I'd even let you have free reign over the island. Let you even have little plots to garden in. Perhaps you can even feed those dear pigs. So what do you say, darling? A good choice. I do love the way you sound when you say yes. Perhaps you could call me dear. Go on. Say it. Yes, dear. Just 2 words. Good boy. How about one more word? Yes, dear Kirke. Ah, I love the sound of my name coming from your lips. Well, love, let me sing to you again. Don't worry. This time you don't have a boat to fall off of. Do you?